right, so special thanks to this company for sending me their USB computer dongle 5.1, which is a USB Bluetooth adapter. Let's open it on up. So essentially what this will do is you take it out of the box, of course, a little thank you card. So you just take this and plug it in to your computer. And what this will do is you'll probably have to go through a small setup process. Is there any, there is, look at that little carrying dongle. So it has your Windows driver installation package here. It tells you to go to the website, support, download center, Bluetooth adapter 5.1 driver. And basically once you install it, this little adapter would give your older computer Bluetooth. So say you wanted to use Bluetooth headphones with a computer that's maybe 5-6 years old that did not come with Bluetooth standard back in 2016, 2017, because Bluetooth has not been a standard on computers for really that long, I would say. You'd be able to plug this in and use Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speakers, etc. With this little adapter once it's installed. So this is everything that you get. You get the adapter and a little covering and even a little carrying chain and an installation guide as well. So that'll do it for this unboxing of this Bluetooth adapter. Again, special thanks to this company for sending this my way, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.